Make a wish.
You got one?
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
So, we are almost at Joshua Tree, and the excitement level in the car is off the charts. Right, guys? Yep, off the charts. And I probably shouldn't be filming this while driving. So, Megan, any last words?
Chasing rainbows, waiting to find a little bluebird in vain.
Locate filovirus survivors. Administer mosquito. Red retrieve. Black leave. Locate filovirus survivors. Administer mosquito. Red retrieve. Black leave. Locate filovirus survivors. Administer mosquito. Red retrieve. Black leave.
So you deploy in 7. Your team has to be en route by first light, so we have to do a rapid-fire brief.
Yes, sir.
Everything in the command is coded by uniform. The navigators wear green, the drivers wear gray, the gunners are camo, the doctors are in tan. There's one of each in every team. Now, you've been assigned Unit 730A. Say hello to your new best friend. Time to suit up.
So have you seen what's out there? I mean, outside the gate?
Not lately. I have a rational fear of dying. What's been happening is that the extraction teams have been bringing back the infected with the uninfected. So we've embedded a doctor with each team to do the testing in the field, because one slip-up could bring the whole compound.